Egg breakfast pancakes. Flour 200 grams. Add eggs 3. Whisk. Add water 400 milliliters. Whisk. Add chopped scallions and 2 grams salt. Whisk until smooth and no lumps remain. Brush a non-stick skillet with oil. Pour 2 spoons of batter into the skillet. Spread the batter evenly. When the pancake is set, flip it over. You can use a spatula or toss it in there like I do. It's easy. Just move the skillet forward and upward quickly and catch the pancake. I'll show you a few more times. The last pancake is done. These pancakes go well with tomato sauce. I like to roll them with salad or cooked meat. The first bite is for you who are watching the video. I'll eat it myself.